Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over an Omega press brake that we got in. This is a 4-foot brake. It is hydraulically driven. It is 3-phase power. We're just going to quickly go over this, see it operating, foot pedal operation, etc. So we're going to get this master power turned on. The on switch for the electric pump is back here. And as you can see, this is a wedge style press versus your traditional overhead press. This top ram is adjustable via the two nuts on top, so you can adjust this up and down. This obviously has a pre-selected stroke right here. So you adjust these guys where you like to, and it'll flip and trip the limit switch to only allow so much stroke on every cycle or whatever. So pretty basic, pretty straightforward, nice press overall. If you are interested in this press or have questions about it, there will be a link in the description to our website listing of it. There'll be pricing, details, contact information and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, like and subscribe.